Hey, what is up guys, Ricardo from Flow Designs. Today I'll be showing you how to install our Flow Designs window vents. Today I'll be showing you guys on this G3 WRX, but it'll be the same method for all of our window vents. So what you're going to get in your Flow Designs window vent kit is a pair of window vents, 2 meters of rubber trim, 2 wooden craft sticks, a set of instructions, some Flow Designs air fresheners and some Flow Design stickers. The first step is to get your supplied rubber trims and install them onto your window vents. These rubber trims that are supplied are designed to make the window vents fit tight and secure, and they also absorb all vibrations when driving. They are also safe to use on your window tint and won't scratch them. After installing the rubber trims to the window vents, you now need to cut them to size. There are 2 lines on your window vents. This is where you need to cut the rubber. All you have to do is follow and cut with the line. Once you have cut the rubber trim to size, you're now ready to install your window vents. You can now wind down your window and insert your window vents into the window grooves, making sure they are snug and tight. You may need to flex the window vents a little bit to make them fit easier. Now with the window vents snug tight to the top, you will need to wind up your window. Do not wind the window all the way up, as you will need to guide the rubber trims in. If you are having trouble guiding the rubber trims, you can use the supplied wooden craft sticks to help guide the trims. We highly recommend only using the wooden craft sticks on the outside part of the window to avoid scratching your tint. A quick tip is to spray the rubber trims and window in some soapy water to make this install easier. You can now put up your windows, and after all these simple steps, your window vents are now installed, and now your car is looking much better than before. So there it is, that is how easy it is to install our Flow Designs window vents. And you know what's better than this easy install? Look how strong and secure they are. So it is safe to park your car with these on, and they're also good for track use. Once again, look how strong they are. It also comes with this nice rubber finish to absorb all vibrations and avoids any tint scratches that may happen from the window vent. So that is how you install our Flow Designs window vents. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and remember to hop onto our website to browse all the products that we have to offer. Also make sure to stay subscribed, as we have more tips and tricks coming your way. That's it for me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one.